Here's another one of my passions. Vintage pocket watches. This is actually Illinois box hinge. It's a beauty. Pretty new to these. I think it's a BWC and Company. This 18 here, I've seen so much debate on that. It's 18 karat gold or it's not. I just don't know, but the gilding on this is so beautiful. I'm actually getting ready to sell off some of my pocket watches that I have acquired. This will be one of the ones I'm selling, so if anyone's interested, they can send me a message. Anybody that's watching this that knows about pocket watches and that would want to buy this, knows that this is going to be an expensive one. I mean, it's not cheap. A couple thousand plus is what this would be worth. Dial is in mint condition. The only issue this watch does have is it needs to be adjusted there or something, because watch this, it's not locking. For whatever reason it is, somebody that knows about watches could fix that in no time, I'm sure, but I'm not going to start messing with it being such an expensive watch. So, there it is.